I look like the Matrix. Hey you guys, it's me Keandra and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Please forgive me for the sound. I feel like every time I try to record a YouTube video, it's always on Tuesdays, and the gardeners come on Tuesdays and they're always cutting the grass. Like, it may not be my gardener, but the people across the street, down the street. But hey, how you guys doing? It's been a really long time. If you guys don't know me, my name is Keandra, and I basically talk about anything and everything on this channel, from money to hair to beauty to makeup, finances. I'm really interested in crypto, but I don't think I will make any videos about it just because I don't want to stir anybody in the wrong direction. But yeah, so we will be unboxing sunglasses. So I have been on the lookout for sunglasses for a really long time. I took a few L's. So I ordered some glasses from Chloe. No, I ordered some glasses from Rue La La, and they were by Chloe. They were like a tannish color. I can link them. I'll put a picture in to show you what I ordered, and they sent the wrong glasses and told me that, like, sorry, there's nothing we can do, we'll just give you your money back. So took L with that, ordered some other glasses, and they just never came. Like, it was a month, and it had been a month and I still had no glasses. So I ordered these glasses from Off Saks Fifth online. They're Givenchy, however you prefer to say it. I'm probably saying it wrong, but they're Givenchy. So here's the glasses. This is the case. Here's the case. It's a really nice case, you guys. This case is super sturdy, super durable. This is a really nice sunglass case. You get what you pay for. I'm gonna just say that. I was a girl that used to buy cheap sunglasses, and I refuse to do that anymore because the glasses were not protecting my eyes. So yeah, if you are gonna buy cheap sunglasses, make sure that they have UV protection. Make sure they're protecting your eyes. I was just buying them because they were cute. So, case. And here are the glasses. So here are the glasses. They are square shaped. Here's the hardware on the side. Let's put them on. I look like the Matrix, y'all. But I really love these glasses though. They're super cute, all black. Exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, it's a quick little unboxing video for you guys. I have not took the tag off. Oh, they did retail at $129.99. I think that was a great price. $129.99. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.